SIGER Data Tool Monitoring and Collision Avoidance 2-in-1 Solution. Realize dual-channel synchronous monitoring based on power and vibration sensors. Real-time parallel processing with dedicated power vibration analysis algorithms. Hardware consolidation enabling dual system operation on a single device. Traditional machining production faces the following challenges. Pain point 1. Machine collisions caused by abnormal production setup processes. Pain point 2. Lack of effective tool monitoring during production. Pain point 3. Over-reliance on manual expertise or multiple disjointed monitoring systems. Abnormal clamping and parameter settings, or operational errors. Abnormal wear, chipping, or tool breakage. Over-reliance on manual expertise or multiple disjointed monitoring systems. Over-reliance on manual expertise or multiple disjointed monitoring systems. SIGER Data offers a 2-in-1 TM/STCS solution. This integrated system runs on a single hardware platform, combining a vibration sensor, power sensor, SAD conversion module, E3 host, HMI touchscreen, and a 3-color status light. It delivers dual-layer protection, simultaneously safeguarding machines against collisions while monitoring cutting tools in real time. SIGER Data's TM/STCS 2-in-1 solution has the following advantages. 1. Hardware sharing. A single integrated system including power sensors, ADC modules, E3 mainframes, HMI touchscreens, vibration sensors, and 3-color indicator lights. 2. Real-time monitoring. Our system uses high-precision sensors and smart algorithms to monitor tool conditions in real time. It provides 100% coverage of the machining process, automatically stopping operations if issues are detected. This prevents product defect and reduces waste. The system's false alarm rate is less than 0.01%, ensuring reliable performance. 3. Instant response. The system automatically builds models and sets thresholds based on normal machining data. Using vibration sensors, it triggers an immediate 3-color alarm and machine shutdown when thresholds are exceeded. With a 0.25 ms ultra-fast response time, it delivers reliable collision protection. Implementation and deployment. Installation process. Convenient installation. Steps. Install current transformers and main equipment, conduct debugging initialization, and perform system failure verification. It can be completed within 2 hours. The SIGER Data Tool Monitoring Machine Collision Protection 2-in-1 solution delivers dual safeguards with a single hardware setup. It helps businesses cut costs, boost efficiency, and achieve worry-free production.